Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We can put into the limit. So I approach to positive infinity from 1 to a ln s over s ds, s square. So in this situation, we can use about integration by parts. So I will put about u equals to ln s. Later that we do first derivative for the both sides, and we have the u equals to the s over s dv. We have the s over s square. So the integration of this one, we have v equals to negative 1 over s. So we have u multiplied by v, but we keep the same of this one. So we have negative ln s over s, and I will put the bounds from number 1 to a. Minus, we have the u multiplied by v. We have another negative in here, negative with negative. We have positive. And now we have the integration from number 1 to a, and we have the s over s square. Next, the integration of this one, we have negative 1 over s, and we put the bounds same with this one from 1 to a. And now we put the bounds going here. So they should be like this. Ln number 1, you got about 0. This one we have number 1, so we simplify like this. Now I will consider about this limit in here. So when I approach to positive infinity, this one will go to positive infinity. Ln a will go to positive infinity. This one similar. So we have positive over positive. So we can use about L hospital. That means we need to do first derivative on numerator and denominator. So this one we have 1 over a. This one we have number 1. So when a approach to positive infinity, 1 over a will go to number 0. Now similar for this one, 1 over a will go to number 0. And the final answer in here, that is about number 1. This is the end. Thank you for watching.